Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to another decluttering video. I hope you all are doing well. So, this is what's been going on. What is that? Anyway, this is what's been going on with the decluttering videos. So, if you want to see other decluttering videos, you can look in the description box below. There will be a link to the playlist. What I am currently, let's put it that way, I'm currently destashing and decluttering my craft room because my husband and I are moving this summer and I cannot possibly take everything with me. So I am paring down. What I do have is, I have my goal. Here's my goal, okay? I have banks of Sterilite drawers. They come 3 in a set. I have a lot of them around my craft room. Those I will be taking with me, but then I also have some of these. I think I have 4 sets of these, which are the 12 by 12. And so I'll be going through this stuff today. And I'm going to be kind of organizing a little bit along the way. Some of the stuff has just been shoved in here. And yeah, I don't know. Let me get another Sterilite box out, a smaller one. Because, come on. Okay, and I'm gonna get this as well. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. This is going to be my embellishment box, okay, for things that I already have made over the years that are embellishments that I can use in journals. So that's what I'm gonna put in here. In here, I'm gonna see what's mostly in here and, determine. I think this was supposed to be originally my tag bucket, but like plain tags is what I mean, like extra tags and stuff like that that I can pull out and then decorate and then use in journals. And then what I also have here is just a plain bag that will go to donation with, and I will fill it with whatever I'm not keeping. Okay, so I'm kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone here. I would like to donate these bags, and a great way to do that is if I'm already donating stuff, you know, to just fill the bags with that stuff. I hope that makes sense. So I also have this cute little Easter basket. I don't need the basket, but inside here, well, let's just see here. I have random ribbon. Yeah, that doesn't go in there. Okay. This I don't know what I'll do with that, but okay, these I made so many years ago, okay? These, that would make a pretty tag, I don't know. These I made years ago, so these just need to be embellished, you know. Oh, this was given to me in Happy Mail, I love this. I'm gonna put this in my, like, ephemera holder, okay? Here's like some little bookmarks that I had made. So those are ready. Wait. No, I'm going to put those in there. These are ready just to be decorated. So look at that vintage one. This I received in Happy Mail, but it's ready to go. I think I did. Or did I do this? No, I think I did this. Yeah. Okay. More vintage ones. Look how cute. Wow. Huh. So whenever I make a vintage journal, I have stuff to use, right? This is just a little painty paper that I did years ago. This was made for me. So cute. But so in here are the things that are ready to, you know, use. These were given to me a long time ago by Jessica Rapp, and I just love them, and I've never been able to bring myself to use them. I don't know if I ordered something from her or if she just sent them. I can't remember. It was a long time ago. So I will put Jessica's link below. She makes absolutely gorgeous journals, beautiful ephemera. I mean, hello, you know. So yeah, those are going to go in there. And then I have all of these, okay, tea bag things, which, you know what, I don't need them because I drink tea all the time. These are a plenty, so don't need any of that. Okay. All right, so these are ready to be embellished. Like I said, I think this is going to be my tag drawer. So let's scooch this over. Let's see. These are little bags, okay? And I work with Your Creative Studio. If you haven't seen those unboxing videos, I'll put the link below. They have beautiful, beautiful items that they sell in a vintage themed subscription box. But look how gorgeous these bags are. They're super sturdy, super awesome, and I reuse them. But that's gonna go in my bag box. Yes, I have a box of bags, which we'll go through at a later date. These I received in Happy Mail as well. Bags, they don't go in here. These, again, these are bags that I got at the Dollar Tree, and they are they're springy and they're beautiful, and I actually have made little journals out of these before, paper bag journals. Super fun to do. Can't wait to do that again. So all this stuff I'm putting in a separate pile. They go over there. This is a pile of tags, okay, that I can reuse, and they have ribbons on them and all sorts. Well, the bag was given to me by my dear friend, and then I have stuffed it with tags, okay? So that's gonna go back into this box, okay. I have all these cards, like this is my Smoosh paper. If you've never seen my Smoosh paper, I'll put a link below. It's like, you know, a way to decorate paper quickly, like color paper quickly. And then you can simply just make these into journaling cards, you know, tags or whatnot. So this is gonna go back in. This right here, I probably received from Sweet Christy Biddleston, and it's like a muslin bag, so cute, and would look great either on a journal or in a journal. I am going to put it in the bag drawer. That doesn't go in here. Okay, let's see. Oh, I remember these, and I do not think that I have a video on them. I don't know. I'll check and see, but these are paper clip embellishments. Look how fun that is. Little buttons sewn on, piece of just like a cluster over here. Just little pieces of ephemera, and then a little tag, right, with a bee on it. So cute. So these are gonna go into the embellishment, okay, because these are ready to go. That's what all of these are paper clip embellishments. So super fun. Here's some more painty papers I'm not really fond of, so I'm not keeping those. I don't know. These are, as you can tell, paint chips. I do not need them. I do not need them. They're gonna go in the bag because who knows, you know? Obviously an envelope. This goes in the envelope drawer, which again, I will have a drawer that has envelopes in it, you know, and this isn't it. This is the tag drawer. Glassine bag, love them, use them. They go in the bag drawer, not in here. These little itty bitty tags are super cute. I don't know. There's like stuff all over them. I don't know, something stuck to them. So look at this. More paint chips, okay? I do not need these right at the moment. Now, you know, if I need them later on, I could go and get them later on, but I don't need them now. These are plain tags. Some of these tags here, like these beautiful painty ones, were from Darkwood Sanctuary, okay? So I'll put her link below. They're so super pretty. I mean, look at that. Just so pretty. So these stay in the tag. This goes in the envelope. This is a coin envelope, right? This is from Darkwood Sanctuary too. It's so beautiful. So that goes in the envelope drawer. Again, more tags from Darkwood Sanctuary, and they're so beautiful. So they're ready there. Okay, here is some beautiful scrapbook paper. It's more like cardstock. Ooh, double-sided. Okay, this is going in my scrap bin because I can use this. This was given to me in Happy Mail. I can definitely use this for my journaling pages. So, okay, more like paper bags, glassine bags. Those go in the bag drawer. Painty paper, I don't really need. You know what? This was from so many years ago when I had my old craft room. I could make them into tags though. Yeah, they'll go back in the tag drawer. This is a really pretty organza bag. It doesn't belong in here. I don't know why it's in there. Okay, here are the coin envelopes that I used to make these coin envelope embellishments. So what to do with these? Like, what would you do with them? I'm not really sure. I guess I'll just stick them in there for now. Here are just some regular tags. Now I have a whole bag of tags that I just don't need extras, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these yet. These are just this is off clothing. I don't know, not really fond of these painty papers, so bye-bye. These again are like this was cut from like they're called master boards now. I don't know, whatever people call them, but they're super cute and they're already decorated. They just need to be finished, so those go in there. Another painty paper, regular tag. These again, they're like a collage, you know, thing, so those go in there, those go in there, those go in there. These not real crazy about. These were the oxides. Now some people, well, you know, maybe I will keep them for journaling cards because I plan on doing a vintage journal at some point. This would make a great tag, a library card. These guest checks, I love these. I might put these with my, what are they called? Notepads, you know, because these are really great to journal on. So I might put those somewhere else. Oh, there's another one. Plain piece of cardstock? No. This, again, these are all ready to just have a hole punch and use them for tucks, tags, or pockets. Paint chip, not into them anymore. Super tiny tag, I'll keep that. Painty paper, oh. This must have been, this says Florida Keys Art by Cinnamon, and this must be a cutoff from a card. Like a hand-painted card that I just did my Smoosh paper on, so that's a tag ready to go. A little tiny tag. Here's more of this paper. Painty paper. Oh, I never finished my thought. This was actually my drop paper, and it was just a piece of poster board. So that's ready to be decorated. Oh, these are ready-made tags. I like those. Okay, more paint chips. Okay, can you tell? Real Siren swimwear. This was just a regular tag that I don't need. All these paint chips, I don't need them right now. Like I said, if I need them in the future, yeah, but right now I just do not need them. These are painty papers. I'm not a fan of them. I just don't like them. This is an envelope. This doesn't even go in there. It goes in the envelope drawer. Okay, these, what are these? These are lovely, very thick papers. I'm sure I got them in Happy Mail. This is gonna go in my scrap bin because they can. And I will use them. Look at these. These are like coin envelope things. Those are gonna go in the envelope drawer. Papers. These go in the scrap bin. Look at that, like a recipe card. That's fun. That can be used as a tag. These go with this. Okay, not with that twine. See, I have a whole bunch of library cards. So this goes in there as well. And these are ready-made tags. More guest checks. These are gonna go with the other guest checks. That's cute, huh? Little card. Oh, that's a cute little embellishment I'm sure I got in Happy Mail. That's fun. That can go in there. Oh, look at that one. So cute. Bellissimo. That's gonna go in there because they're ready-made. This needs some work. I'm not sure if I need these painty papers. I mean, like, let's face it, I've got enough. This, look at that cute tag. That's ready to go. So that's an embellishment. That goes in there. This is more decorative paper. That goes in my scrap bin. Lovely. Here, this is ready to be worked on. These are just scraps of paper that I do not need. Oh my gosh. Can you say paint chips, guys? Ooh, and more guest checks. Jeez. Okay, these go with the other guest checks. All right. More painty papers. This is, I like that one. So that one I'm keeping. These are some little tags, big tags, just regular tags. I'm going to keep those. These paint chips. Oh gosh, what was I thinking? These are all going away. Oh, that's a cute one. That's gonna go in the little ephemera holder that I use for a rainy day, like quite literally a rainy day. Oh, that's pretty. I'll use that too as a tip in or something. All the rest of these are all paint chips. I don't need any of those. Okay, these are fun. These are index cards, right? These are fun to use, and I can use these as tip-ins or tags. Now, all of these tags I'm getting rid of, okay? And let me tell you why. Because they're glossy, and I don't like them. I don't need them. They're very hard to work on, and I have enough tags anyway. I much prefer these tags, okay? So these, fine, okay. This right here, this was like a little matchbook, and this could have come, I don't know where this came from, but isn't that cute? This is such a fun way to store like extra bits and papers that you have. I did actually make some of these vintage style little matchbooks because, yeah, then you open them up, you tear your piece off, and you have like a little, you know, scrap of paper to use in a collage or whatever. Super cute idea. I love that. These are ready to be decorated and used. Okay, those go in there. Little bitty tag, that goes in there. Okay, and here are some more guest checks, but these I'm just gonna leave in here, okay? These are like dry cleaning tags. They're great. Okay, we are done. So this is the tag drawer now. So now I have, you know, a bunch of different tags that I can use. These are tags that I can decorate. They all fit in one box. Again, my goal too is like once I have filled up a box, or not again, let me just explain. Once I fill up a box, that's it. Like I'm not collecting anymore, you know. Now I know that I can go into this box that has blank or more blank, like kind of blank, you know what I mean? They're ready to be decorated, okay? So I can go into here, I can take a tag out, I can decorate it, and then I can swap it over to this drawer, although I think I might use another 12 by 12 box to put my embellishments in, or things that I have made can all go in, like just an embellishment or things that I can add to journals, right? Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, after I get off from here, I will transfer all this stuff over to a 12 by 12. Maybe I should just swap these two, right? And have this, I don't know. Yeah, that seems like an idea, Elizabeth. Like, what are you doing? Okay, so this all goes in here. This all goes in here. Okay, problem solved, right? Problem solved. So we'll put these in here, these in here. All of this will fit. I will no longer be collecting tags or anything like that. There we go. Okay. Now this can be my embellishment drawer, and I will add to this. That way, whenever I'm making a journal or what have you, or need a tag, I just pop into this drawer and et voila, I have a tag or whatever I need. Then these are gonna go into a box of bags. Okay, yes, I do have a box of bags. I know it's ridiculous, but I do. And then these right here are going to go into my box O envelopes. Yes, because I have a box of envelopes as well. So there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really didn't get rid of too much stuff. These ribbons can go in the to-go bag, other than paint chips and some extra tags that I had no use for. So yes, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to go through more boxes because why? I have more boxes. So, yep, we're still on the decluttering train and will be for quite some time. So, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for your encouragement in this decluttering process. And yeah, I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already. Check the links below for everything that I've mentioned, and I hope you have a great day and a great rest of your week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.